Hi, I'm Kurt Loder. Welcome to Breakfast with Madonna. It was a Friday the 13th. The first concert was held at a brand new open-air stadium about 2 hours outside of Tokyo, and it poured rain. Not the best of conditions, actually, and frankly, prospects for a post-show interview looked pretty bad. But then back in Tokyo after the show, well past midnight, we got a call. Welcome back to Breakfast.
Did you find that after opening nights, I mean, I think everyone does, that when they change, you'll look at something and say, that doesn't work, this does work, and you're changing?
Well, yeah, but, I mean, there was so much rain that it's really hard for me to know what did and didn't work in the show because I was dealing with another element, you know what I mean? And I was just trying to get through the show and not break my leg and watch over the dancers. So.
Can you tell me how you work it?